From here, you need to go in this direction, in this direction.
Done. Done.
So the radius around that point.
ಹಿಂಗೆ ಕಾಣೋ
Are you able to see any
Carnivorous or
grassland?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Grassland. Yes, sir. We have.
No. In the photo.
No, sir. It will be better if you have that bang.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it's hardly for 1 hour. 45 minutes to. Oh my God. With the 3 battery backups.
From where you got it?
Online stores.
Since 24th September, we been trying to capture the problematic tiger MDT-23 from first, but then we did not succeed in 8 days capturing the tiger. But we came close in Gudlur area, Devon State, and then Mayfair State. From first onward, we have intensified the operation by adding to the teams, the experts, also the sniffer dogs, some tools, newer tools, and then I myself now conducting this operation. We have got evidences because, as you know, tiger is very difficult to capture because of its nature. It's extremely ferocious animal. It's also very swift. So we are collecting a lot of data and analyzing the data and immediately taking decision. So we every day morning 6 a.m. we look at all the camera trap images, scan them and analyze them, and then see that whether the MDT-23 is present anywhere. We are also using drones, different types of scanners to scan. Then we have also got foot patrols, the foot surveillance team. So almost about 7 teams are working. Since yesterday, based on the evidence of the tiger being present in Singara area, we have changed our strategy and we have used the machan. So we have put 4 machans in that. Each machan has got three experts on that. There is also darter in that with tranquilizing gun, with the veterinary doctors there, and then support staffs there, and then there's a tracker is there. They have carried food and they're not going to be disturbed, so they have to be no contact with us. They are looking for the tiger near a kill, which probably the tiger has come and eaten as per the data. Then we have also other teams which are flushing out from other directions and coming closer to that, but not coming up to the point, so that we have complete silence there, as the tiger requires to this kind of a situation to come out. We have also other support things ready, like we have a collar ready, which is state-of-the-art collar done by the WWF. That also ready side by side. We have got the case ready. We have got the RR team, it's called Rapid Response Team, also ready with the armors and others. And so with that, all these preparations, and we hope that we will be able to zero down on MDT-23, capturing him, look at the condition of his health with the help of the doctors and medical and experts. Then we will decide what to do with the tiger.
How long it will take?
That is very difficult to predict. It's matter of it's when you are dealing with wild animal, then nothing you can predict. What you can do is, the best you can do is to that look at the data, when I say data means pugmark data of its data of, say, is there a scent which it spreads, the urine it spreads, and then that's a scent. Then calls of the animals, which necessarily compulsorily they do when they look at the tigers, like in langurs. And then you also have this calls from deers. Look at the behavior of the nearby cattle, how they move. Look at these cats, and then and this based on, and then the camera trap images. So based on that evidence, you can only optimize the resources down there, and then you can see that whether you can encircle the tiger. Even at the darting moment, also will be very less time will be left, because see, the animal is very swift. As I said, it's a very swift carnivore, so it moves very fast. And also you have to protect yourself, because your staff is the front line, shouldn't attack and kill rather you. So you have to, then it won't be success. So you have to have a in close window, aim very correctly, should not also hurt the animal, should not dart go anywhere else which can damage the animal. So all that is to careful things are required to be done. So in the midst of that, prediction will be very difficult too.